everyone, Coach Paula here from Phenomenal Life. This week's quick tip, we're talking about authenticity. How important it is to be authentic as a parent to our children. One of the things that we really want to focus on is make sure that we are who we say we are, no matter where we are. If we're at home, if we're at church, or if we're out in the community, we want to be the same in all of those places. We're modeling to our kids, if we're nice out in public but mean at home, that we're not the same person. And that later sets them up for problems that we don't want to get them into. Another thing that we want to talk about being authentic is how important it is for us to be able to help guide our children, give them that sense of peace that they need. So if you find that you are really having trouble getting to who you are, if you're losing sight of your authentic self, there are things that you can do to get over that. The first thing is we can always go to the Word. It's the best place to go to for that help. Another thing that you can do is to get a life coach, somebody to help hold you accountable, help get you in the right direction, help move you ahead. And lastly, seek out community. Get people to help support you, build you up, whether it's a group online or whether it's a local MOPS group in your church. Find somewhere, reach out to that community, because when you use all of those things, guess what? It will make you who you are, and then you're modeling for your children who you want them to be. Thanks for joining me.